My Monstera is rotting really fast, and if I don't act now, it's going to die very soon. It's already showing classic signs of root rot like soggy soil, yellowing and browning leaves, and drooping. I'm gonna try my absolute best to save my plant because it's my favorite and I really don't want to lose it. A few years ago, I bought this Monstera when it was still young and adorable with small little leaves. It was thriving. The stem was thick and strong and it kept growing and shedding leaves beautifully over time. But then, I started neglecting it. During the winter of 2024, I moved it to the corner of my room because it looked really good there. I assumed it would be fine. It's a hardy plant after all. But as the months passed, it began to droop. I still thought it would recover. I didn't realize how serious it was. Then, just a few days ago, it started yellowing and browning rapidly. And now it's on the verge of dying. Looking back, I made two major mistakes. Mistake number one, I won't say it was overwatering. I actually didn't water it that often. The real issue was that the soil stayed moist for too long. Even though the pot had drainage, the soil wasn't drying quickly because it lacked enough light and ventilation, thanks to being stuck in that dark corner. Mistake number two, I repotted it into a much larger pot than it needed. I thought Monstera was easygoing and its roots would fill up the space quickly. Plus, I needed room for a support pole. But that was a big mistake. There was way too much soil around the roots. And even though I later removed some of the soil from the top, it was still holding water for too long. Without enough sunlight, that wet soil turned into a problem. And here we are. So, it's time to save its life. Looking at the roots now, they are completely rotten. I'm starting by cutting the support ties from the pole. Using disinfected shears, I'm going to cut the main stalk between the nodes, making sure to remove all the rotten parts. I will also prune off any dead or mushy aerial roots. Once that's done, I am placing the plant in a clean pot filled with 1 liter of filtered water. To support new growth, I am adding just 2 drops of liquid fertilizer to the water. Hopefully, that gives it a boost. I am taking the plant outside now, but in shade, where it can enjoy lots of bright indirect sunlight. I can't even tell you how happy I was when I checked it the next morning. The leaves looked firm and fresher, so much tighter and stronger than yesterday. I am confident now that it's going to grow new roots soon. Once it does, I am planning to plant it directly into the soil in my garden so it can grow huge and stay with me forever. I will definitely keep you updated here on the channel. I hope you learned something from this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. For more plant rescues, propagation tips and plant care videos, join me by subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.